Hi everyone, welcome to Advanced Power Analysis in VLSI. It will be a complete user guide from basics to advanced, covering all the topics. It will be mostly advanced topics of the power analysis in VLSI. If you are a new visitor and you have not seen our channel or our work, you can go to YouTube and you will see that all the playlists are there. You can see that there is physical design related playlists which covers all the advanced topics, and from the basics to advanced all topics are covered in this series. There are exclusive series playlists for placement and floor planning. Then if you go down further, you can see that there is STA related full series, there is Perl, Tickle, and there is Python related courses also. So we are adding to this, and we are going to create a fresh series on Red Hawk which covers all the topics on advanced power analysis in. So without any wastage, let us get started on this. So what we are going to cover, we are going to cover power analysis here. From basics to advanced, everything will be covered. There are, broadly speaking, there is going to be two type of power analysis. One is static power analysis and one is going to be dynamic power analysis. This is very high level. So if you are wondering what all going to be covered is, first of all, we will understand power analysis basics. From basics to advanced, everything will be covered, part of it. Then there will be one thing called power calculation. How will the power is getting calculated? We will understand power calculation later on. Then there will be static IR drop analysis that we will try to understand, and then there will be EM analysis also that we will understand later on. And after that, we are also going to cover dynamic voltage drop analysis, dynamic VD analysis, that also we will cover in this series. And other than that, we can also understand the part of reports. So report processing we will understand later. So this is, broadly speaking, this is the going to be our topic coverage. And other than that, also based on the need basis, we will add more things, and we will also try to cover some of the interview based part. If you are someone who is looking for advanced topics here, so we are going to understand about fixing and optimizing. We will cover this portion which is under advanced topics, fixing and optimizing grid performance, grid and power performance. So the designs which are going to be power critical, for that how do we optimize the grid and how do we optimize power, that also we will analyze. Then there will be analysis of DVD, dynamic voltage drop, and cross coupling noise impact. So we will cover, this is also going to be part of your advanced topics. And later on we will also see memory and IO modeling. How do we do the memory and IO modeling? Then there will be EM analysis, and there will be reliability checks. So this also we will cover. So most of the chips which consider aging factor or aging is more critical for them, we do that for them. And then there will be also coverage for pathfinder for ESGs. So this also we will consider. And if you are looking for a more advanced topic, then there will be chip level package analysis. All those things are going to be covered in this series. So if you are someone who is a VLSI enthusiast or looking for understanding or learning about the power analysis and its advanced topics, then please do subscribe and share to the channel. Thank you.